Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe Audition CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add markers. I'm also going to show you how to change the default name for new markers. To add a marker, you can just drag the playhead to wherever you want to add a marker and tap on the letter M. M is the keyboard shortcut, and that will add a marker. If you look at the very top there, you will see marker 01. There is also a marker panel that will show you all of the markers that you've added. If you don't see the marker panel, just go up to the window menu and check markers. You can move markers, just click and drag them to a new location. You can also just type in a new marker time. So I can just type in 3 seconds and it will jump to the 3-second mark. You can add markers while the audio is playing. So if I hit the space bar, I can just tap on M and that will add a marker. You can also add markers in the multitrack using the same keyboard shortcut M. There's also a markers panel in the multitrack. And you can also add markers while you're recording. This is a very common use case of markers. So here I am, I'm recording my podcast. So I tap on M to leave a marker to remind myself to go back and edit out that cough. Maybe you do interviews. So maybe you're recording a guest. They say something interesting. You want to go back and check that. Tap on M to leave another marker. You can delete a marker. Just select it and tap the delete key or tap on the trash can. You can change the name of a marker. Just double click on the name and type in a new name. And to change the default name of new markers. So maybe you don't want them called markers. Well, you can come up here to the Adobe Audition menu, go to Preferences, and select Markers and Metadata. Right here, you'll see default name for new cue markers. You can name it whatever you want. Maybe I want to say Mike. I'll hit OK. I'll drag the playhead, tap M for Mike, and there you have it. Mike 07 is the new marker name, and you are not limited to text. I'll go back to the Adobe Audition menu, Preferences, go to Markers and Metadata. I'm going to go to that default name for new cue markers. I'll click in there, and now I'm going to bring up the emojis. Ctrl Cmd Space Bar on a Mac. I'll double click on the big red X. Now that's my new name of markers. I'll click OK. And now when I add markers, I'm going to tap on M. You will see now I've got this really easy to see X up there. And when I fix the audio at the red X, I'll go back to the marker panel, double click on it. I'll hit Ctrl Cmd Space Bar to bring up the emojis. I'll tap on the green check mark. That tells me that marker has been fixed. And that is how you add markers and change the default name of new markers in Adobe Audition CC 2020. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.